In this presentation, we will be covering the basic ways to use WebReview, GlobalSubmit's browser-based eCTD reviewing platform. GlobalSubmit WebReview is browser agnostic. All you will need is an internet connection and your browser of choice. Google Chrome is recommended. Your credentials and necessary links will be provided through email by Certara support. Using the link provided with your credentials, you will be taken to this login screen, where you will enter your provided username and password. The applications screen will show you a list of the applications you have access to. You can use the Recent button to access recently opened applications. You can use the navigation in the bottom left to move between pages of applications. All of the column headers can be clicked to sort applications by ascending or descending order. The search bar in the top left can be used to search using any of the information present in these columns. Select your desired application. Double-click the application or click the Open button after selecting. The Applications button can be used to go back to the application selection screen. The information icon next to the application number can be used to access application details. The eCTD tree is displayed on the left. You can choose from 5 different views using the drop-down menu at the top. Origin view is the default, and it arranges the eCTD tree by the order sequences were published. When one hovers to the right of each row, an information icon and an ellipses will be shown. We click the information icon. The information icon will display information for the selected item. Each sequence can be expanded by clicking on the arrow beside it to display the modules within. Sequence view will arrange the eCTD tree by sequence, this time in numerical order. Activities view will display each regulatory activity, such as an original application or an annual report, grouped with its supporting submissions. Current view will arrange the eCTD tree by module, only showing the documents with the lifecycle status of current. Lifecycle view will arrange the eCTD tree by module again, but now showing all documents that have been lifecycled throughout the application. All lifecycling on a particular document can be viewed with the Lifecycle tab in the information pane. eCTD tree width can be adjusted by clicking and dragging the edge. Clicking the ellipsis beside the information icon will give 2 options when a document is selected: copy link and download. Download can be used to download this file directly to your machine. The copy link button will create a shareable link to send to anyone else with access to this application. This link can then be pasted into an email or your preferred messenger to send to a coworker who also has access to this application. We go back to Origin view. The Search button in the eCTD tree can be used to do a full leaf title and file name search throughout the application. This search button is available for all views. Selecting any of the folder levels, such as sequences or modules, will change the preview pane into an inventory pane to display various metadata for the documents contained within that folder. The inventory pane will show icons that indicate lifecycle status. These icons can be found in the eCTD tree as well. The blue U-turn indicates a replace. The green plus indicates an append. The red X indicates a delete. The white page indicates a new. The ellipsis to the left of any item in the inventory pane can be used to show the Go to File button. This button will allow you to navigate to the specific file in the eCTD tree and preview it instantly. The file is displaced in the eCTD tree and can be viewed on the right. Let's locate another file. The icons indicating the lifecycle status are also displayed on the tree. Deleted files are tracked but are not displayed. The ellipsis in the top right of the eCTD tree can be used to access two different functions. Tree Legend can be used to display all of the icons you will see within WebReview and explain what they indicate. The Hide Empty Sections switch can be used to toggle on and off any sections that don't contain documents. This is a matter of preference for how you want your workspace to look. Columns in the inventory pane can be sorted in ascending or descending order by clicking their headings. When previewing a document, you have multiple controls within the preview pane. Using the Toggle Side Panel button, you can open a separate panel. The first tab is used to see a thumbnail view of the document. This will display the document's pages and thumbnails for you to scroll through and select. The second tab is used to view any bookmarks present within the document. The third tab will display any annotations present within the document. All links and bookmarks will be outlined with the blue box in the preview pane. This is only a visual indicator and will not show up on the output document. Links can be navigated through simply by clicking them. The back and forward arrows at the top left of the preview pane can be used to navigate between locations as you move through links. Zoom controls are located in the upper right. Page fit options can be found with the ellipsis next to zoom controls. The search icon in the top right of the preview pane can be used to perform a full-text search within that document. The search text will be highlighted in orange. The back and forward arrows in the search bar can be used to navigate between the instances found. The ellipsis in the search bar can be used to access more text search options. Case-sensitive and whole word search criteria can also be used, as well as seeing a full list of all instances of the searched text. Each item in the list can be clicked to navigate to it in the preview pane. An option to download this specific document can be found in the top right of the preview pane as well. A full-screen view button is located on the far right. The question mark icon in the top right corner can be used to find contact information for Certara support in the event that you are experiencing an issue with the way WebReview is functioning. Finally, to close WebReview, we can press the Logout button on the top right. This concludes this tutorial on GlobalSubmit WebReview.